welcome back to my channel. I don't know why it feels like I haven't filmed in ages, but yeah, I'm here with the Colourpop haul, which is literally the most awaited. I had to wait 1 month for that parcel, so I'm super excited to show you guys what I got and take you along, go through these products, watch them. Super exciting. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So this is what the box looks like. Like the last time I ordered from Colourpop, they had a theme going on, so they had like this purplish box, but right now they have a plain theme and it just says made in LA. I don't know if the camera is catching that. It's too light for you guys to see it. Yeah, I think now you can see. The only thing I'm really worried about whenever I order from Colourpop is the packaging sometimes, because it's just this one cardboard layer, but guess what, they pack it really well with all the bubble wrapping, so all the products are always safe. I have not faced much problem. I think once the eyeshadow was broken, but yeah, other than that I have not faced any problem with Colourpop. So I am just gonna dive right into this box and let's see what comes out first. So the first product that I see right here are these mini eyeshadows. Basically they're these single eyeshadows, and I think I had, yeah, so I have 3 of them. I am gonna open these. So the first one I have right here is a silver one. Now before, when I used to order, they used to send like a magnetic sort of casing for it as well. I guess they stopped doing that after the pandemic, but yeah, it comes in this cute case and it's a single eyeshadow. So you basically will have to get a magnetic palette separately to keep this, which I didn't, because I would prefer keeping it in here. I wouldn't prefer spending more money buying a magnetic palette. So as you can see, it's a very bright silver. It's literally reflecting the light, so you can't really see it and it looks white. However, I'll insert a close-up of this, so don't worry. I'm just gonna dip right into it. Oh my god, I just did like one dip and look at the pigment. I am amazed. Let's quickly swatch this on my hands so you guys can see better. Wow, look at that, you guys. The pigmentation, it is absolutely insane. Colourpop is honestly known for its eyeshadows and their lip formulas, and I think it's really standing up to its name. It's proving us right with this eyeshadow. I'm obsessed. It's like so freaking reflective. Sorry, I just got dazed. Next, I really want to swatch this magenta-ish glitter. It's literally chunky glitter, so you will have to, you know, use a glitter glue in case you are planning to buy any of these oh my, I'm sorry, I fumbled and I couldn't speak anymore, but oh my god, I'm amazed. I am shook. Oh, it actually feels really buttery, but it's kind of chunky, I have to be honest. It's just glitter basically pressed on a pan. So yeah, it's pretty AF, you guys. Wow, I want to actually swatch it on my face for some reason, but yeah. Next, I'm gonna swatch this color called Solstice with the Mostest. Solstice with the Mostest. Okay, that's a really long confusing name. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Sorry Colourpop if I'm not pronouncing that right, but yeah. Oh, it's a very bright pink. Now I have to be honest, I have swatched this before and oh god, you guys, it is such a gorgeous color. I am gonna dip right into this and show you guys. Also, don't mind the background sounds. There's just a lot of traffic around my house today. Wow, that was a bad swatch though, but it did have a lot of pigment. This is not as smooth as the silver color, I have to be honest, but it's a beautiful color. It's a very nice color for somebody of my skin tone, Indian skin tones. I think this would look really nice, and it does have this blue reflex in it. Like it has these tiny blue glitter particles, not even glitter, just like shimmer particles, and they look absolutely gorgeous, I think. So next up, let's pull out this packet. Now this is the exciting stuff. Honestly, I got these 2 beautiful palettes. One is called the Blue Moon palette and the other one is called It's My Pleasure palette. And truly it is my pleasure that I have bought this, because you are about to see a world of beautiful eyeshadows. I'm gonna quickly open it. So just before I open it, the shade names are on the back, which I really like about the ColourPop eyeshadow palettes. I'm gonna quickly open it. Honestly, I'm so excited. Ta-da! Oh my god, you guys, this shades is so effing beautiful. I wish I had a better camera, honestly, to capture this, but I'm gonna insert a close-up for you guys to see how freaking beautiful these shades are, and they're so unique. The shades are like so gorgeous. And okay, my hair is irritating me. Oh my god, let's fix our hair first. Yeah, so I have created this eye look right here with this one palette, and it is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. I just don't have anything to say. It's gorga. And there's 9 shades. So there is like 1 2 3 4 very shimmery, very shiny shades, and there's one a little toned down, and then 3 matte shades. So you can definitely create so many looks with this one palette. Definitely get your hands on it if you are somebody like me who loves playing with colors, and especially with such glittery, beautiful, unique shades. Oh, I haven't opened the film to this, so I think this is a mirror. Ooh, satisfying. Woo! Can you see it? So effing beautiful. Okay, now you can see my ring light. But yeah, I really like the mirror is super clear. I should have used this to do my makeup. Love it. And I'm just gonna swatch all of these for you guys so you can see what is up. And yeah, I love it. This look that I've created today with this, it is so gorgeous. Honestly, I have no words. Like, it suits my skin so well. I think this is such a versatile palette. I know that it has a lot of pink and purple shades. Why I say it's versatile is because it does have matte shades, so you can use these matte shades and the shimmer shades along with each other. It also has like almost like a nice nude color as well. It's like a pink mauvey nude, and I love that. So that's about this palette. Now let's jump into the Blue Moon palette. This I was the most excited about because I have heard so much about this palette. Oh my god, you guys, the hype was real. When I saw this palette, I was blown away. I was Shukita. I was not Trishita, I was Shukita. Okay, that's such a bad joke, but yeah, I love the packaging as well. It's like this pretty blue reflective packaging. Here you go. Here is the miracle. ColourPop, thank you so much for creating this palette, because for us people who are crazy for blue colors, this is heaven. This is blue heaven. So I really love the shade called Lumi. It's this white duochrome bluish color, and you guys, it is so beautiful. You can use it for your inner corner highlights. You can use this for any sort of highlight for when you're doing a crazy look, and this would complete the look, put it together. There is this shade called Tide Pool, which is so beautiful. I really love this shade. And are you looking at this shade? It is so bright and beautiful. It is beyond beautiful. This, I know I sound like a complete maniac when I'm describing these stuff, but girl, I am obsessed. Some of the shades here, honestly, I don't think I've ever seen in any other palette, and I hats off to ColourPop, honestly. Next up, we have something really unique and exciting, which is the Soul Glow Body Oil. Now, you're gonna be wondering, girl, what? I don't know, I have no idea why it's called SOL, but you guys, it stands to its name, Glow Oil. First of all, I bought the shade Golden because I thought that was most appropriate for my skin. There you go. Are you even seeing this? This is like Sunshine Gold Goddess in a bottle. Honestly, there's no words for this. Like, excuse me, this is just too gorgeous. Wow. I was not sure about this purchase, but when I saw this and I smelled this, I reached a seventh heaven, you guys, because it smells divine. It smells like cookies, it smells like baked stuff, and it smells like vanilla. I love the smell. I don't know what it is, but I can never have enough of this fragrance. It is gorgeous, honestly. You can either apply it like this, or they have the pump right here, and I'm just gonna squirt a little bit of it. So I have some of the Soul Beauty on my hand. Are you seeing this? This is like molten gold, you guys, not even kidding. Are you seeing that sheen? So gorgeous. I'm gonna apply some on my body and show you guys what I'm talking about, why I'm so obsessed with this product. Are you seeing that sheen, you guys? Are you seeing the sheen? Okay, ignore my random singing. I don't know if the camera is catching this, honestly, but I think it's catching it better on the hand. But it really makes you look like a goddess. If you are going for shadi, if you are going for puja, anything, and you want to look extra, you're going for a party, this is what you need in your life. Honestly, I would even apply this before a boy encounter. You know what I'm saying? You know, girls, what I'm saying? Because this is gonna make you look divine. It's gonna make you smell divine, and you totally need this in your life. Next up, I have the Ultra Matte Lip Cream in the shade Beeper, and I am wearing this right now, and I have used this one before. It is divine. It is god. Now I know you guys are thinking I'm saying everything is divine, but this one is not my first time purchase. I have used this before and I wanted to restock it, which is why I purchased it. This is a perfect nude for my skin, so if you are anywhere near my skin tone, get your hands on this. It is ultra matte and transfer proof, you guys. Next, I have the ColourPop No Filter Foundation. Now this I had also purchased before and I accidentally purchased my wrong shade. As usual, I'm so bad at purchasing foundation and concealers online, and that is exactly what I did again. I got a medium dark shade. Excuse me, last time I got a medium light shade and now I've got a medium dark shade, which is 10 times darker than my skin tone. And it's like this, it doesn't look like it's very dark, but trust me you guys, it really is. It looks like it's a very light color, but it's a really pink color, almost pink undertone to it. I don't know why it shows up like that on my skin. I'm actually gonna swatch it and show you guys. Like, excuse me, that is, I don't know why it looks so light on the screen, but this is pretty dark, and it's this shade medium dark 38. So if you're near my skin tone, please don't get this. And it's too pink for my skin. It's too orange pink-ish for my skin. I really didn't like it. Next, I have the last thing in our ColourPop box. It is now empty and is the California Love palette, and this is one of their oldest palettes. I feel like I've seen this so long, or maybe I'm just wrong and I visit the website too often. Love the packaging of this. It is such a unique packaging out of all the palettes that I've bought from ColourPop. Again, the shade names are right here. It's a nice palette. I love doing ASMRs with palette. Is that weird? So unlike the Blue Moon and the It's My Pleasure palette, this is a plastic packaging. However, this is, I think, paperish, cardboard-ish. Like, that's the best I can describe it. So voila, this is the palette. The shades are absolutely divine. They're golden, orangish, like California sunshine sort of shades, and I absolutely love that about this palette. Some of the prettiest shades that I'm gonna swatch right now is called Diego. I'm just gonna dip into it. Look at that. Look at that. It has chunky glittery particles as well, so if you're not a fan of that, I would recommend you not to dip into that too much. It is gorgeous. Like, do I have to say anything? I'm like out of words, you guys. Wow, I am actually really happy with this palettes because I usually always go for colorful palettes, and I thought this time I should buy something at least close to neutrals. And this does have a couple of neutral shades, like the one called Mission, the one called HWY1, the one called Laguna. All of these are more neutrals. The Bay is a very neutral color. It's almost a skin like color, and it does have bougie shades as well, which is what I love. It has this very glittery shade called El Captain. So I'm gonna dip into that. Ooh, buttery. Now this is extremely glittery. It is literally just glitter. I'm gonna insert a close-up, so don't worry if you can't see it right now. But yeah, if you are somebody who likes more basic, you know, you just want to stick to neutrals, you want to stick to gold tones, this is for you. You like doing a lot of orange sort of looks and you want to stick to that genre of looks, get this palette. Is it the best neutral palette? Wouldn't say that, because it is not meant to be just neutrals. It is a bougie palette. It is that sort of luxury golds and oranges. So just like a sunset, this is a perfect palette. So if you are looking for something like that, get this. But otherwise, if you are gonna buy only one palette from Colourpop, I am literally gonna tell you to buy the It's My Pleasure palette, because even though I was so excited for the Blue Moon palette, I ended up liking the It's My Pleasure palette way too much. Like it's just heavenly, that palette. I look at it and I want to cry because my makeup obsessed self is like wowed. So yeah, that's about it. My box is empty. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this haul video, and to conclude, I just want to tell you guys about the shipping and everything about the Colourpop. So the thing with Colourpop is it usually takes 21 business days to arrive, and that does seem like a lot, but you have to wait, and sometimes it's gonna take longer if there's delays. Thankfully, I did not have any delays. It was on time within 21 business days, which does not include holidays and Saturday, Sundays. So yeah, it was here within a month, and I'm really happy about it. The only bummer was that I paid 2,300 rupees just for the duties on this, which is honestly insane. Like 2,300, like the products may be for like maybe 4,700, and I paid 2,300 on duties, which is absolutely insane. But you guys, it's about luck. The last two times I didn't, like the last time I ordered from Colourpop, I did not pay any duties, like zero duties. But before that, I did pay 1,400 rupees in duty, and the duty on this was actually wrong, but I couldn't get through the Bombay Customs office, and so I was like, leave it, because ideally I had calculated the duties. It's supposed to be 42%, and they overcharged me. It was supposed to be around 1,800, but I was overcharged, and I don't know what to say, you guys. It's about luck what happens to your duties. Sometimes you can't really send it for reevaluation because it's hard to get through to the customs office, and if you stay near the customs office, please just go, feel free to go and question them and send your package for reevaluation of the duties if they have overcharged you. But otherwise, I have not had a bad experience with Colourpop. I was only very sad that I had to pay a lot in duties, but sometimes it could be more. So I'm glad that it wasn't like 4,000 rupees in duties, because literally my products were only worth 4,700 or 4,600 rupees. And with Colourpop, the minimum order for free shipping is $60. So just take your current conversion rate and multiply that into 60, and you will know exactly how much you need to shop for free shipping. So I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this haul video, because I was super excited to show you guys what I got. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.